You, I ain't gotta look at you, no one talk to. I just stepped down there for you, but I had to calm myself down. Throw one more thing up here, I'm gonna whoop your ass, boy. Throw one more. I ain't even gotta look at you, boy. Say, you do 3 shirts up here. This crazy motherfucker, boy. Green flame. Yeah, you gotta be out your motherfucking mind. Hey, you know one more thing, I'm gonna beat your motherfucking ass. You play with me tonight if you want to. This is a young boy show. Hey, I know you ain't spend your money to come through this motherfucking door to let no nigga do no pussy ass shit here tonight. Come on, man, you could've stayed at home and waited for me outside to catch me. Come on, turn me up, fool, turn me up.